May I borrow your toys? Will you lend me your toys, Choco dear? Yeah? I want this, ha? I'll borrow this one. Yay! I will borrow poo. Yay! I have poo. Oh, you don't want? Lend me your poo. You know, oh, I'll borrow your monkey. Let me borrow your monkey. There, this one. Huh? You're not playing with it, eh? Okay. I'll play with this. Thank you, Choco. Ay, you don't want to lend me your monkey. Oh, I'll borrow your bone. You're not playing with it. Choco, I'll borrow your bone. No. Let me borrow this one. Ay, oh, I'll get poo. Thank you. I'll get poo. Yeah. Oh. Lend me poo. You're so damot, huh? Oh, lend me this one. I'll get this one. Choco. Yay! I will borrow this. I'll get monkey. Yay! I will borrow monkey. You're selfish, Choco. Lend me this one. Lend me poo. I'll borrow poo. I will borrow poo. Lend me poo. Let me borrow poo. Choco. Okay, I'll get this one. Yay. Oh no. You don't want to lend me any of your toys? Huh? Why? Come on, let's play with your toys. Come on. Hey. Yay! I will borrow this one. Okay. This one. Ay. You're so selfish talaga, ha? Damot mo, ha? Madamot ka, ha? Choco, what happened to poo? Oh, you're not playing with poo. So I will borrow poo. Choco. Madamot.